Hi everybody, welcome. Today finds us in Northeast Modesto at 3501 Pinenut Court. A lovely single-level home that's just a short walk to Enoch's High School and Mary Grogan Park for all you soccer families. Come on in and get a look. This is a real beauty. And now we're inside this beauty. A little over 1,800 square feet with 3 bedrooms plus an office that would be easily converted to that 4th bedroom if you need it. Open floor plan with separate family and living room, and look at this kitchen. All kinds of cabinets and counter space, just all ready for you. Check out the backyard. Very spacious, private with nobody looking over the back, beautifully landscaped. It's all here. And so I'm Lorraine Cardoza with PMZ Real Estate, the Cardoza team, and give me a call if you want to get a look at it. We're also going to be open this weekend, 25th and 26th of January between noon and 2. Come by and get a look on your own.